Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Mathematics class of grade 8. This is my lecture number 6 of chapter number 14, Factorisation. So, in this lecture number 6, first of all, we will be recapitulating the concept of division of a polynomial by a monomial and division of a polynomial by a polynomial. Basically, these are the subtopics of division of algebraic expressions. So, we will be first recalling division of a polynomial by a monomial and division of a polynomial by a polynomial. Then, I will be discussing the main topic of this lecture, that is, can you find the error? So, you are supposed to basically find the error after solving algebraic expressions. So, we will be learning how to find the error after solving algebraic expressions, and we will be recalling division of polynomial by a monomial, division of a polynomial by a polynomial, and we will be learning, I will be explaining how to find the error after solving algebraic expressions. And this is the topic, can you find the error? So we will learn, I will tell you how to find the error. So let us recall now division of a polynomial by a monomial. So dear children, I have taken this expression, this is a polynomial, and I need to divide it by a monomial, and I hope all of you know what do you mean by a monomial. An algebraic expression having only one term is called a monomial. So here the expression or the polynomial is this, that is 2a cube plus 6a square plus 6a, and we need to divide it by 2a. So I have written like this, we need to divide. So as this monomial is to be, as the given polynomial is to be divided by 2a, so what I have done, I have written 2a below every term. So 2a cube will be divided by 2a. You will be getting, this 2 will get cancelled out with this 2. And a raised to the power 1 is there in the denominator. A raised to the power 3 is in the numerator. So we will be left with a raised to the power 2. 6 over 2. This will be divided and you will be getting 3. So I have written 3. A raised to the power 1 is there in the denominator. So 1 power of a will be divided in the along with 6, that is 3a. So you will be getting finally 3a after solving. Likewise 2 and 6 will be cancelled out. 6 will be cancelled out by 2 and you will be getting 3a. 3a will be cancelled out and you will be getting 3 only as constant term. So your answer will be a square plus 3a plus 3. Now, division of a polynomial by a polynomial. I am taking two examples. I need to divide this polynomial, that is 7x square plus 14x by x plus 2. Basically, as I told you earlier also, while dividing the algebraic expressions, we need to factorize the expressions and then cancel out the common term, and then you will be able to get the answer. And for factorizing the expressions, we may use 4 methods of factorization we have learned, that is, method of common factors may be used, method of regrouping the terms may be used, and factorization using identities can also be done, and factorization of the form of trinomials in which the factors are of the form x plus a, x plus b, that can also be followed. So out of these 4 methods, you can follow any method and you need to factorize the polynomials and cancel out the common factor, and then you will be able to get your answer. Likewise, if you look at this polynomial, that is 7x square plus 14x. What is the common factor of 7 and 14? It will be 7. X raised to the power 2 is present over here. X raised to the power 1 is present. So the least power of variable, that is x raised to the power 1, will be taken out. So it will be x. In the bracket, what will be left? X plus 2 divided by x plus 2. So this factor gets cancelled out and your answer will be 7x. Coming to this second part, you need to divide z 5z square minus 80 by 5z z plus 4. As I told you that you are supposed to factorize the given expressions or the polynomials using factorization methods. So what I have done here is z was already given to me in the question. Out of 5 and 80, what is the common factor of 5 and 80? That is 5. I have written outside. So what will be left inside? It will be, I am writing this step, one more step will be included here. It will be like this. Z was already there in the question. 5 I have taken out, that is the common factor of 5 and 80. So what will be left inside the bracket? It will be z square minus 16. Now in the it will remain the same, that is 5z bracket z plus 4. This step should be written after this step. Okay, now after this will remain as it is, that is z into 5. I have written 5z. What about this? Can you relate it to identity number 3? That is, this is z square minus, can I write 16 as 4 square? Yes, definitely. So z square minus 4 square, it will be z plus 4. I am applying identity number 3. That is a square minus b square. It will be a plus b, a minus b. I have further factorized this z square minus 16. So I have written like this. And it will remain as it is, that is 5z into z plus 4. I hope this is clear now. Z plus 4 will get cancelled out with this z plus 4. 5z will get cancelled out with this 5z. And what will be the answer? Z minus 4. So I am explaining it again. What I have done, z 5z square minus 80 is to be divided by 5z z plus 4. Now z will remain outside. What is the common factor of 5 and 80? 5 I have written outside. So what will be left inside? Z square minus 16. And below this it will be 5z bracket z plus 4. Now this z square minus 16 can be written as z square minus 4 square. Now related to identity number 3, that is a square minus b square, it is a plus b, a minus b, and I have written here in place of this expression, that is z square minus 16. So common factors I have cancelled out, like z plus 4 gets cancelled out, 5z gets cancelled out, and your answer will be z minus 4. Now can you find the error? Let us see now whether you are able to find the error or not. Basically, I have taken a scenario in which two girls are there. They are solving the expressions, algebraic expressions, in a different manner, and we need to find whether who is writing the correct answer and what is the error in that. Okay, and one of the girl is there, Anu, and another girl is Seema. So I have written one expression, that is 3x minus 4. Anu has solved it. The answer according to Anu is 3x minus 4. But the answer according to Seema is 3x minus 12. So who is correct? Who is telling the correct answer? So let us see now who is telling the correct answer. As we know that this 3 is to be multiplied by every term which is present inside the bracket. So 3 is to be multiplied by x and 3 is to be multiplied by 4 also. So likewise, according to Anu, answer is wrong. According this answer which Anu has given is wrong. So Seema's answer is correct. So 3x minus 12, 3 into 4 is 12. So this 3 is to be multiplied by x as well as 4 because both these terms are present inside the bracket, and we know that the term which is present outside the bracket is to be multiplied by each term present inside the bracket. Now, coming to second example, it is 2x square whole square. As I told you earlier also, if it is bracket is mentioned there, it means square of 2 is to be done and x square should also be written. But Anu has done only the square of the variable, that is x square she has written. So this is again wrong. And Seema is giving the correct answer, that is 2 square is 4, x square is x square. So whenever you find any bracket whenever you find a term written in the bracket and square is there, then you need to do the square of both the terms. both that numerical coefficient as well as literal coefficient. For example, let us take one more example, that is 7x square. What will be the answer? It will be 7 square is 49, x square is x square. If it is like this, 3x square whole square. 3x square whole square. What is the square of 3? 9. X raised to the power 2 square. Further it will be x raised to the power 4. So you need to do the square of numerical coefficient as well as literal coefficient. So your answer will be 4x square in the second example. Now coming to third example, that is x plus 8 square. What Anu has done, she has done the squaring of x as well as of 8, but this is identity number 1. We need to use the identity here, that is a plus b whole square. What is it equal to? A square plus b square, that is 8 square is 64, plus 2ab. In this part, what is a? A here is x, b here is 8. So x square plus 2ab. 2 into 8 into x, that is 16x, plus 8 square is 64. In the similar manner, x minus 5 whole square. What Anu has done? She has done the square of x as well as of 5. So that is again wrong. We need to apply identity number 2 in this case. And it is a minus b whole square. What is a? That is x. What is b? That is 5. So it will be a square plus b square, that is 5 square 25, minus, here it will be minus sign, minus 2ab. So 2 into 5 into x, you will be getting 10x. I hope all the examples are clear to you now. I am repeating all the examples because this is how you need to find the error and rectify the error. Correct the errors. You are supposed to correct the answer also after finding the error. So first expression is 3 bracket x minus 4. Anu is giving all the answers as wrong. Seema's all the answers are correct. In the first expression, 3 is to be multiplied by x as well as 3 is to be multiplied by 4. Now for second example, that is 2x whole square, answer should be 4x square because 2 square is to be done as well as x square is to be done. And in the third example, that is x plus 8 whole square, you are supposed to apply identity number 1, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A and b are x and 8 respectively in third example. And in the fourth example, you are supposed to apply identity number 2, in which a and b are x and 5 respectively. So it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. It will be minus sign along with this 10x. Okay, I hope all of you are now well aware how to find the errors. And then I hope you all are able to now find the errors and correct the errors. Now coming to the homework part from the NCERT, you are supposed to complete question number 4 and 5 of exercise 14.3 in your homework notebooks. So question number 1, 2, 3, I am going to discuss the homework solutions now after this slide. So your homework for today is you are supposed to complete question number 4 and 5 of exercise 14.3 in your homework notebook. So dear children, in today's lecture, firstly we recalled the concept of division of algebraic expressions, in which we have revised the concept of division of a polynomial by a monomial and division of a polynomial by a polynomial. Then after that we discussed the topic, that is, can you find the error? And then by using different examples, I have given you one scenario in which two girls have solved the or have done the multiplication of algebraic expressions, and we have seen how to find the error and how to correct that. Coming to the homework solutions from NCERT exercise 14.3, I will be discussing these 3 parts of first question, and I think 5 parts are there, so rest 2 parts you will be able to do definitely. So let us see first part. It is 28x raised to the power 4 divided by 56x. 28x raised to the power 4 divided by 56x. What I have done, I have written the factors of 28x raised to the power 4 and 56x. Now 28 factors I have written 2 into 2 into 7, and as x raised to the power 4 was there, so x I have written 4 times. Likewise for 56 I have written the factors as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, and x one time was present, so I have written like this. Now as we know that we need to cancel out the common factors, so these two get cancelled out, this get cancelled out, this 7 get cancelled out, one time x will get cancelled out, so what we are left with, x raised to the power 3 divided by 2. So this will be your final answer. Now let us discuss second part and fourth part. So 36y raised to the power 3 divided by 9y square. I have written the factors of minus 36 as minus sign will be written like this outside one time. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And y cube was there, so y I have written 3 times. Likewise I have written the factors of 9y square, and after cancelling out the common factor, what I will be getting, 3 will get cancelled out, this 3 will also get cancelled out, 2 times y will get cancelled out, and what I will be left with, minus 4y. So this will be your answer. Coming to fourth part, this is 34x cube y cube z cube divided by 51xy square z cube. So I have written the factors of 34, that is 2 into 17. x3 was there, so x written 3 times. y3 was there, y raised to the power 3 was there, so y written 3 times. Z raised to the power 3, so z written 3 times. And 51, what are the factors of 51? 3 into 17. X one time written. Likewise you can write y square, because y square was there, so y written 2 times. Z cube was there, so z written 3 times. Now I need to cancel out the common factor. This 17 get cancelled out, this x get cancelled out one time, y 2 times will get cancelled out, and likewise z 2 times will get cancelled out. So we will be having final answer as 2x square y. Okay, z 3 time was there, so z will also get cancelled out. So your answer will be 2x square y divided by 3. 2 over 3 x square y. This will be your answer. Now question number 2 is divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. We need to divide the given polynomials by the given monomial. I am taking these 3 parts, that is first, second and third part, and you will be left with 2 parts and then you will be able to do. Let us discuss first part. It is 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. As I told you that you are supposed to factorize the expressions. So 5x square minus 6x. I cannot take anything common out of 5 and 6, but I can take common as x can be taken out common. So x raised to the power 1 is written out. What will be left inside the bracket? 5x minus 6 divided by 3x. This x will get cancelled out. So your answer will be 5x minus 6 over 3. Simple as this. Now let us understand second part. In this part, it is 3y raised to the power 8 minus 4y raised to the power 6 plus 5y raised to the power 4 divided by y raised to the power 4. Now if you look at the numbers, that is 3, 4 and 5, no common factor can be taken out of this. And if I look at y raised to the power 8, y raised to the power 6 and y raised to the power 4, as I told you many times that you can take the least power of the variable outside. So y raised to the power 4 is the least power of the variable. So only this y raised to the power 4 can be taken out. Rest will be written inside the bracket. So y raised to the power 4 bracket 3y raised to the power 4 minus 4y square plus 5 divided by y raised to the power 4. This y raised to the power 4 will get cancelled out and your answer will be 3y raised to the power 4 minus 4y square plus 5. I cannot take, this is the irreducible factor form. I cannot make or factorize this expression anymore. So this will be my answer after cancelling out or after division. Coming to third part of the same question, it is 8x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube divided by 4x square y square z square. Now dear children, 8 is already outside the bracket. So out of these x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z variable is present in all the terms. But as I told you that the least power of variable is taken out. So what is the least power of variable x? In the first term it is 3, in the second term it is 2, in the third term it is again 2. So x square will be taken out. Likewise for y, what is the least power of y? That is y square. Similarly z, the least power of z, that is z square, will be written outside. So what will be left inside the bracket? It will be x plus y plus z divided by 4x square y square z square. So x square y square z square will get cancelled out with x square y square z square, and 4 and 8 will be solved, and you will be getting answer as 2 bracket x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z, how it comes inside the bracket? As for the first term, x cube was present. So one power of x was left. So it will be written inside the bracket, that is x. Y square z square already taken out. So we have not written yz along the first term. Likewise, you will be getting x plus y plus z inside the bracket, and your answer will be 2 bracket x plus y plus z. Coming to third part, work out the following divisions. I will be explaining these 3 parts, and similarly in this question number 3 also 5 parts are there. So rest 2 parts you can do on your own. Let us see now second part. Second part, it is 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So I have written like this, and out of what is the common factor of 10 and 25? 5. So what will be left inside the bracket? 2x minus 5 minus 5. So 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5 gets cancelled out. So 5 will be your answer. Simple as this. Now coming to fourth part, it is 9x square y square bracket 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy bracket z minus 8. Now, dear children, if you will observe this part carefully, I am writing one more step so that you can understand it in a better way. It will be 9x square y square. What is the common factor of 3 and 24? Can I take 3 outside as the common factor? So into 3 I am taking outside. So what I will be left with? Z minus 8 inside the bracket. Now in the leftover part will be divided by 27xy z minus 8. Now 9 into 3 is 27. After this step will be written. 9 into 3 is 27 x square y square bracket z minus 8 divided by 27xy into z minus 8. So 27 will get cancelled out with 27. Z minus 8 will get cancelled out with z minus 8. X raised to the power 2 is there. X raised to the power 1 will get cancelled out with 1 time x. And likewise for y also we will solve, and you will be left with xy only. Xy will be your final answer after multiplication and after solving it out. Now coming to fifth part of this same question. It is 96ABC bracket 3a minus 12 bracket 5b minus 30 divided by 144 bracket a minus 4 bracket b minus 6. So what I have done here is, okay, this is the question given to you. Okay, now what I have done, I have taken 96ABC, I have written as it is. I have taken the common factor of 3 and 12. What is the common factor of 3 and 12? That is 3 I have written outside. So what is left inside the bracket? A minus 4 multiplied by into, what is the common factor of 5 and 30? 5 I have written outside. What I will be having in the bracket? It will be b minus 6 divided by 144 into a minus 4 into a b minus 6. Now if you will be multiplying 96 into 3 into 5, you will be getting 1440. So I have written like this. ABC will remain as it is. a minus 4 into b minus 6 in the denominator. That means you need to divide it by 144 bracket a minus 4 into b minus 6. And now it is the time to cancel out the common terms. So b minus 6 completely will get cancelled out with b minus 6. A minus 4 will get cancelled out completely with a minus 4. 144 and 1440 you will be getting, after cancelling out, you will be getting 10. So your answer is 10ABC. So dear children, you must have seen that in almost all the parts, I need to factorize the polynomials and then cancelling out the common factor, and then you will be able to get the answer. So I hope you will be able to do all the parts, leftover parts of the questions which I have done here, So thank you so much. So complete your exercise 14.3 till question number 3 you must be able to do, and your homework for today is question number 4 and 5 are also to be completed. Thank you so much.